I already hate this house. Look at this. This is gross. See what I'm saying?
Don't do it.
Oh, this is trash. I'm embarrassed of this property. But right now, we're gonna go down into the downstairs dungeon at 75 Maddox, and we're gonna talk about what we need to spend money on in this property. I already freaking hate it. The carpet is disgusting. Okay, this is stupid. Think about this. See what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. You just about died. Interesting. We have a couple different openings here. This deck needs to be redone, restained, repainted, whatever. We need to have a full landing right here. Eric literally just about died. This is okay. Like, I don't hate this room. There's, you know, it's kind of cool. You could use this as the main upstairs, could also use this as a game room, but I don't think you need to. I doubt people are actually using this because look how they have, here's your poker cards that nobody's ever opened. So this is something to pay attention to as an Airbnb manager. If you have things that people aren't using, maybe rethink what you're using the room as so that you can be smart about it, right?
Don't do it.
Oh. All right. Welcome to Atlanta. Okay. You know what I would do in here, Heidi? Put tile on the floor in here.
Look at this. You don't want somebody, this stinks. You get into this room and it smells really bad.
I think the biggest problem is you've got open dirt because they got the potato cellar. I don't know why do people do potato cellars? I don't get it. Like, this is a thing in different parts of the country. You know what I'm saying? Like,
what is that for?
I don't know. I don't get it. This is a thing in parts of the country. I think having a contractor come in here and like give us suggestions on what other people are doing in properties like this would probably be the right thing to do. Oh yeah, this whole thing sucks. So, yeah, this whole thing needs to be renovated.
Yes.
Like,
bad.
Bad. Yeah, this is trash. You want to know a little known fact about this property? When Outcast used to perform downtown, they would come and stay in this little unit right here right before they would perform the next day.
You're kidding me.
They before they repainted it, Jillian said that they had their all sorts of their friends writing on all the walls and all this kind of stuff.
But that was before you owned the property, or?
As well, way before I owned the property, yeah. This is before they became famous. Yeah, tear out the shower, tear out all this stuff.
The ceiling, yes.
This whole thing needs to be completely redone. Can lights everywhere. Let's lighten this whole place up. New flooring everywhere. I'm embarrassed of this property. Why wouldn't we have like matching sheets, matching towels, matching everything? Like, we got hodgepodge towels, off kilter everything.
Yeah, touch.
Like, why would you stay in my house over a hotel? You wouldn't. My shit looks like it's horrible. This door's upside down, by the way. I don't know if you can tell. Things contractors notice immediately. Oh, this is dumb. I hate when people have to do this. Here's what I want to do here. This is going to cost some money. I want to bring this up. I don't want to bring this door and this floor. I want to frame this out, and I want to bring this bedroom up to the appropriate height.
The same height. Okay.
Okay, so when I walk in, because I look at the ceiling, we got all the space in the world, and then just raise the door up and carry the deck out.
Okay.
And make this room all just cohesive. This would make this downstairs way cooler. The biggest thing in here is having the floors even.
Yes.
Like, why? What is this? Probably plumbing, or a complete waste of space. Like, just make it a closet, or make the bathroom bigger, right? I would much rather I would make the bathroom bigger.
Yes. And make the storage. Use this if you want to use it as storage, but use it for the bathroom.
Right. So as you guys can see, this is kind of a cool little secondary unit inside of 75 Maddox, but it's not cool enough to get a lot of money. These are the things that drive me wild. Look at that light. What do you notice about this light versus that light?
Look like titties.
We call them tit lights.
Warm and cool.
There you go. Warm and daylight. These are things that a good property manager will notice, and these little red flags pop up in your customer's mind. They're like, oh, what? These people don't care about this property. What else am I missing here? So we're gonna spend some money. We're gonna make this really freaking cool. We're gonna make this apartment unit cool. I would love to have a contractor come through and figure out how do we level this all out. I don't know if that's possible, because if you leveled it out to that area over there, it would raise up to a point where the ceiling height wouldn't make sense. And I get that because we're now in the basement, so maybe we can't change it, but we need to get a contractor that understands these kind of properties and can make some really good suggestions to us. Stay tuned. If you guys have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do. Guys, like and subscribe. YouTube pays us enough money that I can actually afford to have these guys and we can create some content. So give us some love, help us pay for the channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.